going on, everybody? Welcome to Smart Investing. Uh, I'm off today. I had to go to the dealership and do some stuff today. You know, everybody has stuff to do on their off days. But real quick, so supposedly Jay Powell had this special meeting every once in a while that they do. They're always having monthly meetings or whatever. So, anyways, I just want to cut the crap and just be honest. Not just me, but just like what really goes on with the Fed. They don't say the truth. They always want to cut corners and say a little bit here and a little bit there, and say things in their own words because they don't want people to fear that we're not in a recession when in reality we are. Sky high prices everywhere, and then we just can't do anything about it. We just have to own up to it and do what we have to do, as Americans and human beings. And this is not just an American problem. This is like worldwide. So, what I'm saying is what affects other countries down the line is going to affect us sooner or later. We don't have it as worse as other countries. I know some investors, they don't see it that way. But when you think on a global scale and when you're a really smart investor like myself, you see it coming down the line. So what I'm saying is, again, I've been bearish since 2020. There's no hiding the fact that I am. I mean, things have just been getting worse and worse. Even 4 years prior to 2020, from 2016 to 2020, I have been somewhat bearish and somewhat bullish. Leaning more towards the bearish side, but not as bearish as I've been since 2020. So, things have been just crazy. So, I just have a little bit of time. So anyhow, I just want to say that Jay Powell spoke. I mean, I can honestly say that he wasn't fully positive this time around. He actually had some negative things to say and some positive things to say. So I want to show you guys this chart. So basically at around this point here, that was around 0.88.
How much is that one?
30 something. So you get a middle one. The middle one has a big screen.
So if we look at that, and again guys, this is live trading. I'm not trading at the moment because I'm busy, but what I'm saying is this right here was a big drop. That right there was a big drop. The markets were like pretty even at that point, and then there was a very quick drop at around right there. This was close to I can't even write. That was close to a 0.88%. And this was in a matter of minutes. So what I'm saying is, in order for a drop like that to go really, really fast, that's very, very uncommon. So what I'm saying is there's very few people who can control this market. And I know Wall Street and the Feds are doing this. So in order for this to keep dropping at that kind of rate that fast, that means there's a lot of people involved that know something that we don't, and basically they're all in on it, because there's no way a mass amount of people are doing this all at the same time with that amount of money, and with the information that we don't have as as retail investors and other people do. So the crazy thing is that the markets are right now, again, I'm on the East Coast, Florida. I mean, this is a really major market here on the East Coast because, what I'm saying is this is real time, but then also, the stock exchange is in New York, but then we're still on the same time zone. So again, the time zone, I'm not really affected to it. So again, it is 10:55 a.m. My battery's I still got battery, but it's still pretty low. I don't know why this pen. So I still have battery right here at 39%. Pen is not working like it should. I don't know if it's dirty or not. So anyways, what I want to say is, this might sound crazy to some people, but I encourage you to be bearish. I mean, why would you want to pay higher prices, especially in the stock market, when you could be paying lower prices? Yes, you might take a hit right now, but later on, a few years from now, long term, this is not going to affect you. Stocks always rise. It is 100% proven that over many years, even at least a decade, the stock market is always more than it is less. And this is an at least, a 10-year time frame. So if you're not thinking long term for stocks to go up, especially dividend and income investors, that's pretty much what it is. But if you're a growth investor, this is not the time to be finding growth stocks. I know there might be rallies here and there, but over the long term, if you want to look at growth stocks, you can always find a few growth stocks, but not at this time because they can't take a hit right now, as you see what's going on right now. But again, over the long run, when stocks become more bullish, hopefully in a few years, that's when you can be more bullish and find more growth stocks. So what I'm saying is, last Friday, markets went down over 2%. Monday, around 2%. So today's Thursday. Tuesday and Wednesday, so basically 2 days ago and yesterday, markets started to be, I look at it as percentages for the week. So basically for the week, if this ends over 2%, we're negative, because apparently yesterday we were like over 1%. I'm tired of saying it, but again, I don't know why so many investors, and I read so many comments, I don't know why people are so bullish on the stock market. I mean, yeah, you want to make quick money, but it doesn't work like that. There's other ways of finding money. And then this is why I encourage other people and smart investors to find dividend stocks and income stocks, because that's the strategy to go right now. I don't know why people want to make a quick buck and say that, I want this stock, I want to buy AMC stocks, at like $10 a share, and I want them to go up to 100. Yeah, that's fine. You might have gotten lucky. You're in, you're out, you cash out. It is what it is. But there was no plan there to begin with. So what I'm saying is, hope it's not a strategy. When you find an effective plan and strategy and you stick to it, you have less to worry about. And again, if you don't know what you're doing, then you're just gonna be stuck. You're gonna get frustrated. You're gonna get very, very emotional. And this is why I'm not very emotional, because when I see this, this is a buying opportunity. When I see this, I don't see that as a buying opportunity. It makes no sense. So, I mean, yeah, it makes sense when stocks are up, and you're rich, and I'm talking super rich. If you have over $1 million in net worth, yeah, you'd love to see that. You'd love to see stocks go like that. But it makes no sense to be not liking this and loving this when there's so many opportunities right now. So basically, as stocks go down, and look, these are the major stocks on the stock market that control the indexes. These are all of them. So I don't know, maybe about 50 stocks. All of these guys are down. Look at that. So we have about 2%, 1%, 2.5%. Nvidia, and this is the interesting part. I mentioned this a few weeks ago. So we look at other stocks, and then everything else is around 1 to 2%, and then long behold, the stock that is, I'm not surprised, guys. I'm not surprised. Nancy Pelosi's husband, he was the one who bet big on this stock, and guess what? Now it's close to 5% down. These are mass moves. So today, as of right now, this is a sell-off. This is considered a sell-off. Again, look at these stocks that control the major market. And then again, look at this. We're already at 2% at the NASDAQ. And then on top of that, not only I see one drop, two drops. If we had a third drop, that's definitely, well, a second drop already. But that's already a confirmation. But another third drop, like that, with that kind of extension, we're gonna look definitely at a sell-off at least one day next week to end this month negative, which is a good thing for me. I don't know about you, but if you want to learn to invest wisely, stop looking at these other channels and try to get rich quick. Again, it takes time, hard work, and dedication to do this. I've been doing this for many years. I've been doing this for about 8 years. So I'm not worried. I'm glad to be doing what I'm doing. Even if you look at my previous videos, I've been posting videos for at least the past 2 years. It's fine, I don't get views, but over time, the least I can do is help. And the few people that I do help, I hope you learn something. I hope you gain money and success like I do. And you'll only become a better investor, and you will worry less, and you will stress less when you know more, when you do more, and you see more. So again, on top of that, this is the third confirmation that I'm seeing. I see 2 big drops. That's already 2. A drop over 2%, and this is close to 2%. These are all drops of close to 2%. That's the second confirmation. The third confirmation is this. The majority of stocks, over 5,000 stocks compared to 1,500, that is a huge ratio. That's a huge decline comparing to negative and positive. And then look at this bar, huge confirmation. So with those 3, this is a sell-off. And again, we're heading into the weekend. It gives you plenty of time to think about a few days what stocks you want to look at. Again, this is why I keep going over so many things and making these stock lists. Because if you watch my videos, you add stocks little by little, and you're already creating a list or watch list. So that way, when things go further south and things start getting even worse, you know what to buy, you know a price range, you know how many shares. You're all set up. You know what to do. You're not struggling to invest. You're not worrying about anything. Everything is stress-free. Everything is carefree. And, things look good. Things look good in your favor. That's the way you want to invest. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not going to spend too much time. I have to work on my car, and I have to do some other stuff. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll make another bank video after this today. And if I have time, I'll probably make another random video of a special dividend stock. That was a high request from me as well, the special dividend stocks. So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be over 2%. I already see this is gonna be over 2% by the end of the day. I'm gonna call it right now. This is gonna be over 2%. If you think I'm lying, then watch my channel. Then so be it. Again, if you read my description in my channel, again, I'm highly accurate because I see certain confirmations and stuff like that. So again, I know what I'm doing. I have experience in this market. I'm pretty more in the long-term investing. I do short-term trading as well, but I'm not like super active. I don't trade every day. I have a full-time job and stuff, but maybe every other week I trade. And that's about it. I was trying to do it every week, but I just don't have the time. I have a family and stuff. So, other than that, these are good buying opportunities. So again, over the weekend, think long and hard of what stocks you want to buy. Again, nobody can tell you, or anybody, whether they're a licensed investor or not, nobody can tell you what to buy. Again, every decision you make on the stocks is solely up to you. Again, I'm not a licensed or financial advisor, but please take care And again, look at that third leg that I was talking about. Look at that third leg I was talking about. Look at that third extension. Again, in my opinion, from my perspective, and my experience and my professional wisdom, this weekend is definitely a nice time to buy. Again, I can't recommend any stocks. I cannot recommend any stocks. I'm not licensed or insured, so do your own due diligence. Again, the only thing I can recommend is stocks to add to a watch list, and that's it. Add them to a watch list. Again, that's about it. Take care and choose wisely. You have plenty of time to think over the weekend, and do it wisely. So take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.